Hi guys, let's continue with Nainital vlog, and in today's vlog I'm going to take you through my full day itinerary in Ramgarh basically.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel Fashion World. Hope you guys are doing great. And today I'm going to show you the amazing view from my balcony. You see, it's so beautiful. It seems like so close to nature, and it's so nice. I can't explain in words how beautiful and how peaceful I'm feeling at this moment looking at this view. We just don't feel like going out of this property because this property itself is so beautiful. And still, let's see how the day goes ahead, and let's see.
And then we went ahead and finished our breakfast. So this was the complimentary breakfast that was included in our tariff, but we could choose only one option as you can see in the menu. We were thinking what to do now and or where to go exactly, and to our surprise the owner offered us that he would take us around and give us a quick ride and show us some beautiful points around his place. And this was the first stop that he took us to. Oh, the infamous walk begins. So basically, I was just enjoying this view and trying to show you guys as well. We took this ride along a very steep and narrow road, and I don't think we could have, really driven to this place if the owner wouldn't have offered us. Okay, so we came back to our property, and now we are taking a stroll on the road just in front of our property. So the person in the red sweatshirt is the owner of the property, and he was so sweet that he gave us the ride, and now he actually came with us to give us a small tour about the things around the property. The point where the car crossed, that is where the property is located.
He's showing us some plants. Devgar plant. Devdar plant. Okay, so this is the Devdar plant, and they have planted around 5,000 trees, all 500 trees. Sorry, all along this road.
This was the height that we were at actually, and the best part was that we were getting a clear view of the mountains.
So it's a beautiful place, right? The walk is such a different experience. Like along the roads, it's all empty. There's not a lot of rush here, and considering the corona times, you really want to avoid all the rush, all the hustle bustle, right? You don't want to be amongst a lot of crowd and things. So I guess this is the best place where you can come away from the risk of being around people, just with your family, friends. So I think you should definitely come to this place. We're now going through this path. Let me be very careful. Doing a small trek, I guess. Thank you. So doing this trekking. Oh.
This is the small trek that I was talking about, and that's how we reached this point and witnessing these beautiful trees. After so much walk, we really needed good food, and we had it. So we had Amritsari fish, chapati, paneer and baked vegetable in the lunch. And then we took a short nap to get charged up. And then in the evening, we got an invitation from the owner on his birthday. Lucky us, right? Happy birthday to you. We not only got to enjoy this yummy birthday cake, but then there were starters, bonfire, and some music. But we also ordered this bonfire on the other night where we got it on payment basis, and it was amazing, guys. This was the beautiful song that my friend sung. Hope you guys enjoyed that as well. And now this was some photo session time. So we also got to, photograph along with the family. Guys, I'm at the owner's house, and he gave us a very quick sneak peek of his house. So I'm going to show you guys as well how it looks. So let's get started. So we are taking a tour of the drawing room, and each corner has a different type of art piece. So let's check them out. So the owner was telling us that every art piece that you can witness here has been brought from different corners of the country, from the world, and I think that's why they look so elegant, different, beautiful, and a masterpiece in itself. Some artifacts that you can witness here is really expensive, like up to few lakhs. And along with that, it was breakable too, so I had to be really careful that I don't break anything and then I'll have to pay for it. So I was super careful. The black cloth that you can see on the sofa, that's basically a real bear skin. And don't worry guys, this is not a freshly hunted bear, but this was hunted around few hundred years back, but this is still preserved. This gold-plated mannequin, she certainly had a swag, guys, and how could we not take a photograph with her? Okay, let's move on. And some beautiful art pieces, right? The chandelier, wow, this looks so amazing. And this complete mirror set, I want one. I just want something exactly similar to this. Everything is so vintage, right? Like, it looks like we have come to some place which is from ancient time, and the best part is so well maintained, right? And now we were really hungry, so obviously we had our dinner in this beautiful ambience, and this is how we spent our full day in Ramgarh. Let's cover our full trip back to Delhi in my upcoming vlog, which would be the last part of this Nainital vlog. Please stay connected, and if you wish to see the previous 4 parts of Nainital vlogs, you can see the link in description box below. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Fashionverse. Bye guys.